have many volcanoes too.
Also Turrialba volcano. That is the highest volcano in Costa Rica. This is 3,432 meters above sea level. It's one of the few places in all America that you can appreciate both oceans at the same time. The Caribbean and the Pacific. Just the road, the highway, that's all.
It's dry. No, it's not all dry.
Yeah, and the other river over there. There is another river. Good.
Yeah.
Some reflections. You can see the two colors, the two different colors.
Siellä näkyy 2 eri väliä.
And remember when I told you it's for salad?
Yeah?
This is the tree.
Okay.
When it grows like 15 meters, 10 to 15 meters, is a fruit, the same fruit that we saw before, but bigger.
Okay.
Exactamente, si Dios quiere, sí.
De acuerdo. Muy bien. ¿Usted conoce acá el muelle?
Sí, el muelle sí, claro.
Ah, ok. Listo, muy bien.
Listo, ok, gracias.
Bueno. Oso.
That is the same river that we are going to visit later.
Sarapiquihin river.
Sarapiquihin
Yeah.
River. Yes.
Tää on vähän semmoinen jo iso.
Hotels also.
Yeah.
That is the soccer field. Catholic Church, also Catholic Church. Commercial area around every single town in Costa Rica like this. That is Sarapiquihin. When the town is bigger than this, that is the bank, and that is the line for the ATM.
Jono oli pankkiautossa. To the boat. Straight, not swimming like in Nicaraguasta.
Don't think, not today.
Mira, ahora saat mun laukku.
Y luego regresar nuevamente una vez que hayamos aquí.
Okay, We are going to try to see different kind of animals here. The name of this river is Sarapiquihin. Sarapiquihin is an indigenous term which means serpent. Serpent.
No, se on.
Serpent.
Yeah,
Mikä se on?
Like a snake.
Snake. Oh.
Yes,
snake,
yes.
yeah.
This river comes from Poas volcano. Have you ever gone to Poas volcano? Okay, Poas volcano. 3 different kind of monkeys that we have here in this area. The spider monkey. Have you seen the spider monkey? Yeah, this is the biggest one. I have the picture here. Also, the white-throated capuchin monkey. And finally, the howler monkey. Let me show you. And Costa Rica has 144 snake species. This is the 4 monkey species in Costa Rica. Howler monkey, white-throated capuchin monkey, and the spider monkey in this area. The squirrel monkey or titi monkey, which is the smallest one, this is in the Pacific side, in Manuel Antonius National Park, endemic from there. Okay? Be careful with the branches. You can see down there the river, very clear, very clean also. Above the river. What else? Different kind of birds, different bird species. Costa Rica has 932 bird species. A lot of beautiful birds in Costa Rica. But our national bird is not beautiful. No, it's a robin. It's a robin. It's this big. It's big and it's a brown color. There are so many of them in all Costa Rica. But it's our national bird because they're beautiful songs and farmers know when the rain. Oh, it's moving, it's going down. Red tail. Bronfastus.
En saa zoomtua tarpeeksi.
It's big because it's in this river,
Yeah.
but
okay.
it's small in comparison of the sea turtles.
Yeah.
Because the sea
yeah.
turtles are huge.
Yeah.
They are hanging.
But I thought that
Because
they
this
are
is nocturnal
night animals, not in light. But,
Yes, because they are nocturnal animals.
okay.
Bird. It take the bread. It take a piece of bread
Yeah.
and put on the river, and that is the way that they fish with the prey.
Do they have nests in those holes or
Oh, it's flying so beautiful.
is that one bird?
¿Y ese sopilote que no puede volar? And that is the turkey vulture and the black vulture. It's a kind of duck, but that is you know the peacock, right?
Yeah.
The big bird.
Yeah.
The beautiful is
Yeah.
the male.
luulisin.
We are going to try to see also sloth. Sloth. You know what is a sloth? No? Perezoso. The sloth is this one, which is hanging, always hanging. Yes, that is the sloth. There are two sloth species in Costa Rica. The two-toed sloth and the three-toed sloth. Two-toed and three-toed. All of them have three toes in their feet, but the difference is their hands. 2 to 3 toes. Okay?
No, y se agarra para que no caer.
Yo tuve uno así, chiquitico, durante 10 años. Sí. Seguro es macho.
Sí, qué largo, está rico el descansito aquí. Sí, nada más lástima que no trajeron la panta. Ah. That's the Catholic Church. That is the main church. This
Soccer, like in
Yes.
Finland, yeah.
This is the
In the Olympics.